You ready? You ready? Spot, you ready for the boat ride?
Spark's more ready than ever.
Whoa!
You ready?
Yeah!
Let's go. You're like a rooster. Alright guys, it is spring break for Collier County at least. And I got the fam with me.
Oh my gosh, it's spring break.
We got the dog with us.
Yeah, boy.
Today we're heading back to Estero Bay again. We're going to do a little fishing for a few hours in the morning. Probably go hit the dog park, let the dog run around a little bit. So, what you think, guys?
I think that Sparky is deboned one of his
I think he's ready to go. What do you think, Mom?
Talk. Mom's
All right, guys, we'll see you in the water. Hopefully catch some fish today. Have some fun with the kids. Let the dog run around. See you guys in the water. Go. Got my right hand, my mate.
left hand.
Your left hand. Holy crap.
Oh my god. You have it?
No.
Dex, really? There, throw it back out there.
You're not gonna buy it again.
You whatever it was, it took it.
What fish was that?
Here.
It was like a big. Oh,
Slow, let it
Work
hit
it
the bottom.
good.
Hit the bottom. Ah! Reel, Jack, reel, and reel, jerk, reel. Jerk, reel.
No!
Ah,
Lucky, you're first.
jerk, reel. There you go.
Oh, you got it. I see
Keep
it.
it. Keep it.
Wait, what is it?
No, don't leave slack. Don't.
What is
You're
it?
right. Keep it right. You're fine.
Give her
You're
more
fine.
words.
You're fine.
What is it?
I
Now
can't
you're
see
giving
it
it
yet.
slack.
Wait, I want you to be
Keep
on
it
this.
steady, slow and steady. Max has got one on too.
Trout?
Big tail.
Look at this dog.
Look at this. Sparky.
I can't walk.
I think Spark knew before you guys did. He barked.
I'm late.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah! Yeah!
Let's see, Smart. What are you doing?
I
back
got
out there,
the
Dex.
fish, and I got gloves on.
Don't let him get there.
Wait. Oh, careful, Dex. You almost got your sister. Add.
Smart, here.
Why is everyone like
Smart.
so away?
Okay, now get yours out of the way for Dex. Lift it up. Woo!
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Get it in the boat. Just get it over the boat. Dex, you got it reeled up too high. Put
Here,
your
Add
rod down.
Get over here. Here, come here.
Stop. What is that? It's a ladyfish. It's shark bait, right?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Where's my phone?
I'm not losing my fish this time. You fall out there over the rail.
Recording.
Where's he going?
I'm recording.
No, I got a fish. No!
Oh, he come off. All right,
No,
really?
he was right there. Mom, Dad, he was right there.
No.
He was right there.
Sorry.
Jesus,
Here.
Dad.
Dex, you gotta
That's a
throw
big
more
one
to the
right
right,
there.
buddy.
I'll pull down.
Ow.
Ow.
That didn't hurt
It
you.
didn't hurt, dude.
I said, ah, I'm sorry.
You gotta pay attention.
Jerk,
All that ocean out there.
Jerk, jerk. Jerk.
What kind of fish is this?
Shark, get him.
A small trout.
Oh, stop, Ad. He's chasing you.
She
Ad's got one. Oh,
You gotta be kidding! What just happened? Let me
Wait,
go
wait,
over
wait.
here. Can I go?
You guys pay attention to where you're casting.
No, I'm not going there. Wait, yeah, I do. Oh, wow.
It actually got one.
As soon as it landed, he bit it. You gotta be kidding me. That was give me one. Give me one. Yay.
Get it, Jax.
Give me. Bro.
Go, throw it.
Throw it.
Yo!
Nice to spot rod.
You want your picture with that one, Ed?
No. Where's this rock?
Saw it. You had it. Oh,
You
got
got
it
it!
again.
You got it!
Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Wait.
Yeah, there's so much ladyfish.
Jerk.
Another one, Ed?
It's okay. I'm okay. I told you that. Ah, where did the fish go?
That might be a trout. It hasn't jumped yet.
Staying low.
Catfish.
Catfish.
It's tiny.
Womp womp.
It's humongous. Yo!
Oh, yeah.
Big trout, man. Leave him in the boat. Don't reel too close. Put him in the boat. Put him in the boat. Put him in the boat. It's a big one. It's a big one. Yeah. Nice. Trout there.
What is that? I don't know.
Nana would like that.
Oh God, Nana. Oh, you can't even grab him. Do they have pokies?
That's the only one right there. He's got
Daddy,
teeth.
Do they have
Keep it in?
pokies though on their body? I want to keep. Can I hold it? Good boy.
Grab it.
The picture photo.
Mom, you got a picture?
I'm not okay. He's bleeding.
Should be on camera, right?
Yeah, it's on camera.
Right next to the boat. Hey! Oh my. He was like right there. I'm not okay.
Another one?
Yeah, Daddy!
Go get him, go.
Mommy, my legs.
He's having their teeth. Wow, look at he's crashing.
I've never seen one do that before.
These
Mommy!
have less pokies, Dad.
Why?
They actually don't have any pokies.
What is that?
Mama, look. She got pooped on her toe. On her foot.
He stepped in more.
Dip it in the water.
Abby, you stepped in more.
Dip it in the water.
Mama!
Dip it in the water.
Abby, you stepped in more.
Go to the edge.
No!
Go to the edge.
No, quit screaming.
Abby, you
Yeah, you
stepped
gotta
in
dip
more.
your foot in the water.
Why? Abby,
Get
you
it off.
stepped on more. Why?
Get it off. Here.
I don't want to.
That was on a different rod. That was on a swim bait. Rod tip off.
Wait, what is it?
Nice and steady. I don't know what it is. It was on a swim bait.
It has a Jones yet. It's not a ladyfish.
True.
I know fish.
Jack?
Oh, it's a
It's
jack.
a jack.
Jack, Ed.
Yeah,
That's
boy.
probably what those fish were. A jack.
It's jacking. Easiest jack ever.
Now you reel it slow. Slow and steady reel.
Oh, Jax.
What is that? Trout?
I like my other rod.
Trout. You guys gotta start taking them off. Trout.
Beautiful jack. Nope. What do I? Grab him.
You just gotta use your hand. There you go. Take the hook out.
Can you hold the rod? Hold the rod. Hold it.
How
Pull down. Pull down. I'm not pulling down. It's literally in the rod. Okay. He's got biters. One back behind.
That's a good one.
Is he a biters?
Yeah.
Oh shoot! I'm not getting him.
Next time you're gonna have to. Shade and a bully stick. He's happy.
Spark. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? What do you think, Ed? How many fish you caught?
Like 7.
7? Oh, that's not bad. Sparky, how many fish you caught?
He caught 1.
How many fish you caught, Dex? 5? 6? 15. Whoa!
I know it was more than bad.
15.
No, I got him. Got him. What kind of fish is that? Little trout. Okay. Let's go.
Yeah. Look,
I refuse. Is this the? Is
You
that?
just gotta learn how to take
Is that the one that has
Take it
a?
here and then slide down and then grab. Watch what Daddy does. Just so you know for next time. There, watch. Look. That's right. All right. Yeah, a little bit more, a little bit more reel, a little bit more reel. You want to reel another foot or 2 more next time. Huh? Sure, sure.
No, it's a trout. It's a trout.
Slide on the top. Here. Slide on the top. Yeah, perfect.
Hey, buddy.
Yep. Okay, holding tight. That's why you want to hold him more to this.
Hold on.
You cover your fingers. Grab him. Now you got him. Get him.
I got him. Does he have teeth?
He's got teeth.
Okay.
So look, here, I normally pull this here, and now try to pop it.
Dude, look at me. Jerk, jerk, reel.
Look at him.
Jerk,
Show it to the
jerk,
camera.
reel.
Hold it.
Jerk, jerk.
8th, 9th fish.
There you go. Let's go.
Sparky.
Go back.
You don't want to see that one. Only if you get a fish, I get to reel it in. What? Only if you get a fish, I get to reel it in. Mama, give me!
No way.
I just want to spot your Hey, buddy. It's actually not bad. I know how to handle trout. Okay.
You don't have your gloves on.
Hi, buddy.
Show the camera.
Another fish for the video. Said Mama.
Exactly. Oh.
It's big.
Yeah, I'm catching fish without you.
What?
I'm catching fish without you. You coming to get this one or no?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Oh.
You slap me in the face? No, don't do that. Let him go in the water. What are you going to say?
Another. Oh, hi. You want to see it again?
Can I put it back before we kill him?
Oh, he just stood.
Big in the face. Got him.
Oh, you got it?
Got him.
Such a jerk.
How do you want to reel it?
Yeah, that's a big one, baby. That's a big one.
Oh, he come off. Big one, he come off.
Ladyfish. What's up, ladyfish? Dude, that's a ladyfish.
Put him in the.
Oh no, it got out.
Get him.
I can't.
It's Sparky.
It's right side up.
Look at
Daddy,
him.
get.
Hang on a second. Look at Spark.
Get it, Spark.
Ew, it's pooping.
It's blooding. Oh, it is pooping too.
It's pooping blood. It's
Two things going on.
It's puking blood. Pooping blood. That was insane. It literally got off the hook by itself. Daddy, where's my glove?
Oh yeah, Ad.
What the heck?
Trout. Oh, there's the old trouter. That's what we're looking for.
Okay, it works.
Oh, Ad!
Jack.
Oh my God!
Jack, don't worry, Jack over there.
Get it, Ad! Get it in the boat! Ad! Daddy's got one! You have one too?
Yeah.
Spark!
Let it drop!
Oh, Dex, grab, you got it?
Got it.
Here, Dex, grab yours. All right, hold that up for that
Is the
camera.
camera going?
Yeah, you got it. Hold on,
What's
Daddy's
up,
got one too. Where's my phone?
Yeah, boy! He's got a jack!
Where's my phone?
Hold on. I'm dropping it!
Hold it.
All right.
Hold
I
on,
can't, Mom.
Hold on. Adley, look at me. Adley.
Where's the hook? There's no hook. That's why I'm not catching fish.
Well, the hook's supposed to be in that one.
Did you hear all that?
I need help.
That's funny.
Yeah,
Where's the hook?
That's why I'm not catching any fish. Not the fact that she's over there. Oh gosh, catching sea pickles, right, Spark?
Whoa.
No.
Good one.
Bass.
Ooh, that's not a bass.
That is funny. Bass.
Not a bass.
Where's my glove? Don't have it. Right here. Got
What
your.
you got, dude?
You got it.
Keep it steady. Keep it steady.
Sparky.
What we got?
Ooh,
Nice jack.
Big jack.
get him in the boat, buddy.
Not by me. I go if you know the jack back. Cut the jack back.
Fucking Bastion.
Mom, we got the jack back.
Got it back.
Yep.
Well, fished a few hours this morning. Managed to call a lot of fish, just some trout, ladyfish, jack. I hooked a big red or snook or something, but now we're at the beach. Let the dog run around, let the kids burn off some energies. Perfect day out, nice weather, high 70s, low 80s. Water temps in the mid 70s, I think, but still nice out. get any better than Florida weather here. This is crazy. Look at this. The weather's unbelievable. Perfect day out.
I'm gonna get cooked.
Looking at this nostril, baby. It's gotta be off.
He's cute up the nostril.
I am.
Up your nostril. This is the angle.
Oh God.
Hey, Ad.
What?
What are you doing?
Sun tanning. On my face.
There he. Oh, stingray! Did anyone else see that? Yeah, I think so.
Well, guys, that's a wrap for Estero Bay. Did a little fishing in the morning. Caught a ton of fish. I think the kids had a blast. They caught tons of fish. We went to the beach. Weather was beautiful. Water was crystal clear. A little chilly, but still nice. Sparky's second or third time at the beach, so I think everybody had a good time. What do you think, Ann?
I think that we caught a lot of fish.
A lot of fish, yeah.
And Daxton was just sleeping in the corner. I caught like more fish than you. Oh, excuse me. I caught way more fish than you. Excuse me. You only caught 3, and I caught like 15.
What was your favorite catch?
More than 3. The big jack.
The jack? Okay.
Yeah.
What was your favorite catch at Dax?
I like the big lady fish.
Yeah, I don't think anybody caught any big fish, but
I caught a jack.
Jack, alright. What was your favorite, Mom?
I didn't catch any fish.
You didn't catch any?
I don't think so.
You caught one lady fish though.
I don't think I caught any fish.
It was a good time. Sparky liked the water. You got a little chilly.
Best time.
What do you think, Spark?
Spark had the best time. Yeah.
Are you tired?
Tired.
Alright guys, until next time, we'll see you with another Florida adventure. Don't really know what we're doing next, but I'm sure we'll come up with something. See you guys.
Bye. Peace. Bye.